So this is the speaking class, and I'll call you. Who are willing to speak? Tell me.
Baljeet.
Okay, Baljeet. I'll ask you a few follow-up questions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
got to answer them.
Okay, ma'am.
Why do people always miss their childhood?
Well, there are a lot of different reasons that people always miss their childhood. The first and foremost reason is that childhood is free from tension and worries. They are free in the childhood. They have no tensions. They only have to play and concentrate on their studies. But in the adulthood, they have a lot of tensions of their work, job, family members. So this is the main reason that the people always miss their childhood.
Are kids happier than adults, and why?
Yes, of course, there is no doubt that children are happier than adults because children have only to pay attention to their studies and they only have to play. They have no worry about their life, like about their jobs, about their family. But on the other hand, the adults are full of tensions. They are running behind money. They become materialistic. So this is
Good.
the main reason that
Why do people still remember? Why do people still remember many of their friends from primary school?
well it depends when there is a great bond between the friends of primary school and there are good memories attached with them, so definitely the people remember their childhood friends in their adulthood as well. Apart
And
from this,
what kinds of primary school teachers impress students?
um, the f- the teachers who have good humor and good teaching skills and who always cooperate with their students and always teach about the good values of life and also develop their interest in studies. So this type of teachers have long lasting impact on the students.
Okay, very good, Baljeet. This is definitely a 7.5 to 8 band follow-up session. Okay, very good. And last time say ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क. Oh my God, huh? What have you done? ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे लाए हो?
मैम बस प्रैक्टिस टेंशन नेक्स्ट वीक एग्जाम है.
और प्रैक्टिस आपने बहुत की होगी मेरे को लगता है, बिकॉज प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत गलत थी पिछली बार, याद है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because the thing is now I start working, so I work with the British people and I learned a lot of words from them.
Yes.
So
So
this is
when
the
have you
main
started
thing.
working?
Ma'am, from last 2 months, and I have seen improvement in me.
In
In
my
2 months,
I started working, not start working.
I started working with them, so
Okay.
this is the main reason.
Yes, that's a very good reason also. Where are you actually in England? Which place?
In Wolverhampton.
Wolverhampton. Okay.
Yeah. Now I work in the care home, old age home. So I daily meet a lot of people. So I learned a lot of words from them.
Very good. Who is next? Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer the next set of questions?
I want to give a try.
Yes, sure. Who is that?
Okay.
Who is that?
Mohini.
Mohini. Okay, Mohini. Mohini is my nickname. Okay. So Mohini, would you like to have your video on or not? It's okay. It's your choice. Okay, next is do you always buy more than what you need?
I'm not so much shopping, so I don't buy what there is no necessity of things. So I mainly buy things which are needed by me or I wanted them to buy.
Which are absolutely essential. Okay, that's what you want to say. What do you think young people spend more of their money on?
Nowadays, I have seen a lot of youngsters spending their money on technology. So they buy new phone, they didn't even, sorry, they don't even need to buy a new phone, but they buy it only to show off others that I have a new mobile phone which is new,
Yes,
which
you
is
have to show
iOS
others that I
15.
have a new
Yeah,
phone. Mohini, ऐसे नहीं बोलना that I have a new phone. Okay. Uh, okay.
bit nervous actually. This is my first speaking class,
Yes,
speaking session.
but you are speaking pretty well. Very good. Okay. आप बिल्कुल सिंप्लिसिटी पे फोकस करना है मोहिनी. सोचना नहीं है कि मुझे कोई एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड डालना है, मुझे कोई सुंदर बना के आंसर देना है. ऐसा सोचने में आपके बैंड कम होंगे. अगर आप बिल्कुल नेचुरल बोलोगे ना, जैसे आप इमेजिन करो दैट योर फ्रेंड इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू आर टॉकिंग टू हर, you don't need to stress, you have good English, you can speak good English, you can speak grammatically correct English. Just speak like that. If you get a less than 7.5, then come and tell me. If you just do something extra, it might reduce your band score. Okay, just be natural and simple. You are very good. Okay, you don't need to stress and strain, right? Do you think it is important to save money, and why?
Yes, it is very important to save money, as in coming days, money help us. If we are short of money and lost a job or lose a job, so du- during that time, where we don't have any job or any family member who is not supporting us, at that critical times we need money to fulfill our basic needs.
Okay. Do people buy things that they don't need?
Yes, I have seen a lot of people. Yes, there are so many people who buy things which are not necessary, then necessary or necessity. Sorry.
Okay. They buy things because they get deals and all, and they think that they should buy and stock things like that, you can say. Okay, for
Okay.
later on. Okay. So from these questions, the essay which becomes guesswork is, एक तो childhood is the best stage of life for general training. उनको आया हुआ है past में essay, that is an important essay. And secondly, ये जो है दूसरा consumerism वगैरह के जो है questions essays हैं वो important है. Buying more than needing, use and throw culture, that those essays are important. Okay. Next, who is going to speak? Come on.
Harpreet.
Gurpreet. Harpreet.
Harpreet.
Harpreet. Okay, Harpreet, can I see you, or you don't want to have your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, good. That's very nice. Okay. Okay. So Harpreet, how do you balance work and life?
I feel that it is very hard to make balance between the work and life, but I feel that it is very important. Normally it is very sometimes it is impossible to make a balance between the work and life. So normally I make a timetable when I have a lot of work, and I like to give equal time to my work as well as my family members.
Very good. Then will you continue doing something when you're aware that it wastes your time?
It is very hard. It is very hard to reduce the time which we feel that it is the wasting of time, because bad habits dying late.
Bad habits die hard. Don't die easily. Okay. Bad habits.
Bad habits don't die easily. So when I realized that these habits are the wasting of time, first I will try to reduce the time to give such activities. And after that, I will definitely stop doing such activities.
Abhi Nora bhi aa gayi hai. You've all seen Naughty. Now here is Nora. Nora, सबको सत श्री अकाल बुला दो. सत श्री अकाल. ये बहुत डार्लिंग है. She never says anything to anybody. Okay?
He's very cute.
ये तो बहुत क्यूट है. वो तो कमीना है. Okay. Next question. What kind of things make people pressured? Make people stressed. Okay, stressed is a better word here.
Okay. There are many things in life which make people stressed, like the responsibilities of a family and to make money. I feel that make money is the main problem which faces which face. I feel that every person on the world faces this problem, and after that, make
I
balance
feel
between the
making money or earning money, not make money. Okay, earning money is a big problem.
And after that, people in the fast-paced life, people don't have enough time to spend with their family members and friends. I feel that it is also a stressed
It is also a
activity.
reason of stress. It is also a cause of stress. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is an essay. People are very stressed nowadays. What can be done to reduce the stress? Problem solution essay. So एक तो ये essay है और एक workplace stress का भी essay है job essays में. There is a lot of stress at the workplace. So these essays are important. Okay. Somebody please keep a note on the important essays, guesswork essays which I am telling you. Okay. Then click a picture of that page neatly and send it. I'll circulate it in all the groups. Okay. Next is, why do some people refuse to abide by the rules?
Normally, normally we can say that many people refuse to abide the rules. They think that these rules are not beneficial for them, and they think that these rules are the restriction on their freedom. That's why people don't like to follow these rules.
Harpreet, you are answering very well. It is not abide rules, abide by the rules. Many people do not like to abide by the rules. Abide के बाद by word लगाना है, पर बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटे, पूरे confidence से, volume भी अच्छा है. अगर examiner fair होए तो 7 तो आने चाहिए आपके. Okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. Very nice. Okay. Who would like to speak next? I have to give chance to everyone, Harpreet. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
who's that? Baljeet?
Aman.
Harry. Who is that?
Aman, ma'am.
Aman. Okay, Aman. Yes. I'll ask you a few questions. What skills do students need to master?
I think there are many skills that need to be mastered by the students. Firstly, the mathematics that we can use throughout our life, and secondly is the reading, because reading plays a very important role in the life. Without reading, we can't get success in our life. We are not able to.
If anybody is weak at maths, do you think that that skill will be a problem for him or her?
Yes, definitely, because so many things we can use the mathematics in our daily life. We can't say that it's a mathematics particular subject we can use. I can say that as I'm a housewife, I can use in the kitchen. It's helped me to measure things me properly.
Okay. बलजीत, आपने बोला इट्स हेल्प मी. ये ना एक बहुत वीक वाली मिस्टेक है. इट्स हेल्प मी नहीं होता. आप अपने आप करेक्ट करने की कोशिश करो. इट्स हेल्प मी टू मेजर. आपने भी बोला ना ये. क्या होना चाहिए?
It helped me.
It helps me. It helps ऐसा ना है. Help के साथ ऐसा है. It helps me.
It helps me. Okay.
It's help गलत होता है. ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. Full confidence. Very good. Look at the examiner eye to eye. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. Next is it hard for old people to learn new skills?
I would say it is definitely not hard for old people, as I consider more the thing is that the interest of the people, which leads them towards the success. It's not about the age, whether they are old or.
Very good. You are answering. सोच के अच्छे आंसर दे रहे हो. Okay, good. Okay, you're supporting your answer also, that age is more important. Age is not that important. The interest of a person to learn something. You can say, my grandfather is 80 and he's very confident in the use of computer and the latest cell phones. But many people at 60 are afraid to learn these things. So like that you can say, you can also give an example, cook an example. Okay, आप अच्छे हो ना cooking में, अभी आपने kitchen की example दी थी, तो आप इसमें भी example cook कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Next
Okay.
is a good teacher very important for students' learning experience, and why?
Yes, I think good teacher is very good. I think good teacher is required for good education, because our generation, our future depend upon the
It depends upon,
our future depends upon the good quality of education of our younger generations. So the quality which teachers should possess is the patience and the interaction level.
So you can say
which
good teacher, आप इसको उस context में भी बोल सकते हो, that good teacher can stimulate interest of a student in studying.
okay.
Okay. So that is because, see, no technology can do it. Technology cannot stimulate your interest to study. A good teacher can. A good teacher may not teach you everything, but a good teacher can make you sit down and study nicely so that you learn a lot. Okay. So
Yes.
that is a good teacher's difference in teacher and technology. These essays are also very important, and you can say a teacher keeps the student focused on study, and the teacher can develop or stimulate interest of the student in studies. Okay. Is it hard for students to learn new skills?
Definitely no, because the students have plenty of time to do their to pursue their hobbies and do things of their interest. So they are free to grasp any kind of new things. They usually can develop an interest towards new things. So it is very easy for them to learn new things.
Okay, what's your name?
Aman.
अमन, आपको ना सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, जो इट हेल्प्स है, इट के साथ एस वाला वर्ब आना है, माय फ्रेंड डज, जो सिंगुलर के साथ एस वाला वर्ब आना है, तो वो उस पे थोड़ा फोकस करना अपनी ग्रामर पे. दैट विल रेज योर बैंड बाय वन. ओके, उस पे फोकस करना, ये गलती नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? बाकी आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन समझ के उसका आंसर अच्छे से दे सकते हो, ठीक है? तो that all is positive, but this one point जो मैंने आपको बोला, this can raise your band score to 7 or above.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Who is next? Who would
Yes,
like to
ma'am.
ask? Yes, Vipul, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where is Vipul? Okay, yes, I'm very happy that you are having your video also on, and the next set of questions is follow-up questions, so I'll be asking you, why do people move to a new home?
There are many reasons people move to one place to another place. The first reason is people get an opportunity to new home, and second reason is a better education for their children. So I think there are lots of reasons to people move to one place to another place.
There are lots of reasons, lots of के बाद plural लगाओ, reasons.
Okay.
For people to move to new home, नहीं, for people to move from one home to another, from to, not to का दो बार आपने ये लगाया है, from one place to another place, lots of reason. You make small sentences, Vipul, you will be much better off. Okay. See, I'll answer this question in very small sentences and just see whether it is decreasing the impact or increasing the impact. Okay. There are many reasons why people move from one place to another. Full stop. Okay. The first reason is job opportunities. The second reason is better educational facilities. Okay. Small sentences having more impact. Okay. They are coming out grammatically correct. Okay. Another reason may be the weather of one place might not suit that person. Okay, so like that, people, these are the reasons why people move from one place to another place. From one place to another place, right? That is
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, what problems do people face after moving to a new place, and how do people solve those problems?
There are lots of problems. They move move from one place
लॉट्स ऑफ बोल रहे हो ना, लॉट्स ऑफ के
lots
बाद क्या बोलोगे? लॉट्स ऑफ के बाद क्या बोलोगे? प्रॉब्लम बोलोगे कि प्रॉब्लम्स बोलोगे?
there are lots of problems.
Yes.
There are lots of problems. They move
फिर आप
to
प्रॉब्लम
one.
बोले हो, फिर आप जब रिपीट करा तो लॉट्स ऑफ के बाद प्रॉब्लम बोले हो.
There are lots of problems. They move one place to another.
There are
Move
lots
from
of problems which people
one.
face. Okay?
There are lots of problems with people to place. The
Which people
first
to
problem.
face नहीं, which people to face नहीं, which people face. आप टू एक्स्ट्रा लगा रहे हो. अच्छा, which people
Which-
face. और लंबा
which-
मत बोलो, आप लंबा मत बोलो. मैं आपको दोबारा क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. देखो, what problems do people face after moving to a new place? मेरी बात सुनो, आपको लंबा सेंटेंस नहीं बोलना. आप बोलो, मैम, people face many problems. Full stop.
Okay.
गलती आई?
नहीं आई.
नहीं आई ना? फिर firstly they have to adjust to the new weather, they have to adjust to the new place, they have to adjust with the new neighbors. अब मेरे सारे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस हैं,
Yes ma'am.
तो छोटे सेंटेंस में गलती के बिना बोल पाओगे.
Yes ma'am.
ओके? एंड कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं कम हो रहा स्पीकिंग का. ठीक है?
Okay.
सो प्रैक्टिस लाइक दैट. आप लंबा सेंटेंस बोलते बोलते बीच में कुछ ग्रामर गड़बड़ कर जाते हो. ठीक है?
Okay.
हाँ, तो छोटे सेंटेंसेस आप ऐसे बोलो. चलो आप दोबारा आंसर करो. What problems do people face after moving to a new place, and how do people solve those problems?
Many problems people face to move one place to another place. The first problem is they unknown for their neighbors, and it is not environment to their family for the first time. The another reason is rent. Another reason is a rent for higher than, and it is not developed develop their atmosphere for first time in the new home. So I think there are lots of solutions to the people. The first solution is atmospheric environment to the neighbor, and friendly nature to know their neighbor. The second reason is the second solution is that they improve their skill and talk to the neighbor, and environment friendly to the neighbor.
बेटे आप टू बहुत लगा रहे हो. आपका टू 60% जगह पे गलत है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
टू एक्स्ट्रा लगा रहे हो. बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है ऐसे टू बीच में डालने की. ठीक है? तो आपको, जैसे मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स डू पीपल फेस आफ्टर मूविंग टू अ न्यू प्लेस, जो आपने प्रॉब्लम्स बोली है मैं वही प्रॉब्लम्स बोलूंगी. देयर आर मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स पीपल फेस. मेरा ये पहला सेंटेंस है, देयर आर मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स पीपल फेस. 6 वर्ड्स का सेंटेंस है, और आपके 10 वर्ड के सेंटेंस से लेस प्रॉब्लमैटिक निकला है. ठीक है? they have to adjust with new neighbors. Firstly, they have to adjust with new neighbors. Secondly, they face financial issues because the rent may be higher. ठीक है? Thirdly, they have to adjust with the new weather of that place. Different weather. The weather may be different. Okay? So like that, you can say a lot of things, but say them in small sentences. There are many solutions. People can join the neighborhood society and become acquainted with the neighbors, become friendly with the neighbors. So that will reduce the problems. Okay? People can also, just go for a morning and afternoon walk in the nearby park so that they get in touch with the neighbors and the new people in that locality. So like that, you can say a lot of things. Anyways, next question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of living in the same place? What are the advantages of living in the same place?
There are lots of advantages living in the same place. The first advantage is no rent paid to the landlord. The second advantage is it is environment. It is environment create in our life. So there are lots of advantages to
Advantages of. There are
of-
lots of advantages of living in the same place. Okay. What are the disadvantages?
there are lots of disadvantages to the living in the same place. The
To
first,
the living nahi hai, to nahi aana. Okay.
yes,
There are
ma'am.
lots of disadvantages of living in the same place. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Aage.
The first disadvantage is the chi- children education are not better in the same place.
नहीं नहीं, मे नॉट बी बेटर, मे नॉट बी गुड, आप बोल सकते हो, ठीक है, सेम प्लेस में रहने का, चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन में नॉट बी गुड, यू कैन से दैट इट्स वेरी बोरिंग,
Yes, okay,
you
ma'am.
can say moving to a new place is interesting and challenging. Okay, one makes new friends, adjusts with new people, so that gives add some spice to life. ठीक है, spice
ma'am.
क्या होती है? मसाला, मसाले नहीं होते जिंदगी में,
Yes,
मसाला
ma'am.
लग जाता है थोड़ा सा चेंज करने में, इट्स वेरी बोरिंग टू स्टे इन द सेम प्लेस, ये बोल सकते हो, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it good to move to a new place frequently?
I think it is not good to frequently one place
Frequently change one's place. Okay.
frequently change one place, because it is a disturb our life. Firstly, it is a disturb our life, and sometimes it is a sometimes they education affect our children. So I think there are lots of disadvantage of the frequent changes of life.
Lots of disadvantage के lots of disadvantages.
Disadvantages में
Very good. अच्छा, children's बोला आपने, children's गलत.
children. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Vipul. On the whole, very good. Your face has confidence. That really adds to your band score. Okay. Keep working
Yes, ma'am.
hard. You'll do well. Okay. Work on the small mistakes on the grammar and all. Make small sentences. Okay. Next, who is next?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Juhi. Why not? Would you like to have your video on?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it adds spice to the speaking class, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Oh, Juhi, you're beautiful. Okay, so your question is, when would parents feel proud of their children?
Well, I would say parents will feel proud or will be proud of their children when they score good marks in their studies, especially when suppose if a student is giving their board exams in the 10th or 12th board exams and they score probably above 90%, then most of the parents feel very proud of their child. But it is not the case for every parent. Some parents feel proud when their children perform good academically, but some parents feel proud when their children are good in some other talent. For example, they are good in music, singing, or dancing.
Okay.
So it depends.
academically and good in नहीं होता, good at होता है, weak at, good at. Okay, learn that. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो otherwise. Should parents reward children? Why and how?
I think parents should reward their children, and they can reward the child in many different ways. Some parents reward by paying them some pocket money. Some parents reward their children by giving them some expensive gift. For example, if the child has performed well or has cleared an exam, for example, like NEET exam or an IIT exam, some parents might gift an expensive car or any other expensive gift. So if parents will reward the children with some expensive, or I mean with any kind of reward, then it will boost their confidence. They'll be more motivated towards their goal and or more focused towards their goal. And the relationship between parents and child will definitely improve.
Is it good to reward children too often, and why?
I don't think parents should be rewarding the children very often, because then it will become a habit for the children. Like if they're going to perform any kind, if they're going to perform well on any level, then they might think of getting a reward for every little thing, and it might become a habit which might not be very feasible for their future, or the relationship between the parents and the child may get disturbed because of this give and take relationship for
On
every
what, on
activity.
what occasions would adults be proud of themselves?
Adults can be proud of themselves at many levels. For example, if they think that they have developed a good relationship between the family members, or the parents have developed a good relationship between the children or between themselves, then they might feel proud of themselves, because this is a kind of a very rare thing which is found nowadays, because there are a lot of the relationship nowadays which exists is not at a good level between parents and children. So that way we can say.
So what is that not good relationship? What is that called? What is the difference of thinking of parents and children called? There are 2-3 essays also based on that. The generation gap that is widening these days. And because of that, there are not good relations. Very good, Juhi. And I would, if I were the examiner, it would be 8 or 8 plus. The way you are speaking, very naturally, very fluently, as if English is not a stress or strain on you. And that is what is needed to go above an 8 in the IELTS. Okay, that is what is needed. You just have to tell the
It's
examiner.
difficult to just wind up with the content. I on just within few seconds to make up the content in the mind and then speak, that I find really difficult.
No, I don't think you don't have to make up any content and mind. Just speak naturally. Don't even think it is an exam thing. You are going and speaking with your friend. Would you have to make something in your mind and then say something out if you are talking to your friend or any family member? No, right? That is how you take the IELTS exam. You will be fine. Okay? Don't worry at all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? Don't take any stress of anything. Just remove the stress and you will be good. Okay? Okay. So who's next? Who would like to come out next?
I want to try next.
Yes, Kajal. Sure. Okay. Would you like to have your video on or not?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not.
No problem. No problem. Okay. Next question is, do you know anyone who likes to get up early?
Yes. My parents usually get up early in the morning, and I'm still a late riser because I usually study late at night and I have few client meetings. So yeah, my parents are the one who generally gets up early.
My parents are the one who generally gets up early. दो grammatical errors आई हैं. Subject verb agreement. Parents are the ones. दो है ना parents
Mm-hmm.
who generally get up early, not gets up early. Okay.
Okay.
अगर आप mother बोलते, my mother is the one who generally gets up early. फिर ठीक था. तो parents plural है, get आएगा, s वाला verb नहीं आएगा और ones आएगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
Why do people get up early?
People get up early to start their day afresh and to plan their day accordingly so that they won't mess up at later stage in the day. So it really helps them to do exercise and keep their lifestyle, to live a healthy lifestyle.
What kind of situations need people to arrive early?
Most of the times, if they have some prior appointments like at hospital and for exams or meetings, they have to appear at the center prior to the exact time.
Why do some people like to stay up late?
There are many reasons. Sometimes we have tasks and commitments related to our work, or usually students who study late for their exams for preparation purposes. and for others it is sometimes because of family reasons. For some parents stay up late for their kids as they are in their growing stage and they are studying and preparing for exams.
Why are children unable to focus or concentrate in school?
Being a kid, it is really difficult to keep focus on things, because being in childhood days, we are more interested in what we can easily be distracted. So anything that just fascinates them, they will get distracted by that particular thing. Even if they are studying, sometime if they just hear new music or see someone playing games on phones, so they get distracted.
This is also an essay, Kajal. This is an IELTS essay. Why are children unable to focus? I would advise you not to use the word kids, because that's a colloquial English word. You are at a formal, exam. So avoid colloquial words like kids and masses and folks and guys. Avoid words like that. Okay.
Okay.
This is an essay question also, so I'll be sharing some points. You can say that children are sleep deprived these days. They keep chatting on their social networking sites or keep watching TV till late, so they are unable to concentrate in school. And then secondly, you can also say that because sometimes the content of what the teacher is teaching may not fascinate them and they feel bored and they can't concentrate on it. Sometimes the seat in the classroom is at such a place that they can oversee the window and overlook or see out through the window, and they get distracted. Or the other classroom noise is also other children doing something may also distract a few students. So these are the main points why some children find it very difficult to focus or concentrate at school. Okay, sleep deprivation major है इनका reason. Okay, that is because वो तो है, आपको पता है ना, बच्चे आजकल के सोते कम है, सुबह उठाओ बड़ी मुश्किल से उठा के भेज दो स्कूल, फिर they have to concentrate, 7-8 periods होते हैं classes के, they cannot concentrate, right?
Yes,
they have not slept properly. What do young people think of traditional handicrafts?
Yeah, so some of the young people are really fascinated from traditional things, as it just brings out the it just tells us about the
My
culture.
question is, why are they okay? What they think of? Okay, some people are generally fascinated, right? Go ahead.
Yeah, so it generally tells us about our history and culture. So there are, and even if we just look at traditional things, some handicrafts, so we usually buy them to decorate our houses, and those are really
okay. अब मैं आपको एक थोड़ी सी सजेशन दे रही हूँ, काजल, आप ना बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ओके, ग्रामर इज आल्सो करेक्ट. I ऐसे अवॉइड करो. मेरा क्वेश्चन था व्हाई डू यंग पीपल, व्हाट डू यंग पीपल, तो यंग पीपल को लेके आंसर बोलो. यंग पीपल थिंक दैट, एंड आप चाहे यंग एज में आते हो, आप भी उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो, बट वैसे बोलना ज्यादा बेटर है. यंग पीपल थिंक, ओके, लाइक दैट यू कैन आंसर. Okay, who will like to speak next? I need some volunteer.
Ma'am Kirandeep.
Hanji Kirandeep, very good. Would you like to have your video on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Kiran. Yes, very good. What traditional handicrafts are popular in India?
And there are so many handicrafts are popular in India. Most of the Indian people like to buy.
एक मिनट, आपने बोला there are so many handicrafts are popular in India. ये बहुत बच्चे गलती करते हैं. एक सेंटेंस में दो are नहीं आते. Okay,
ma'am.
So you can say this sentence in two ways. There are lots of handicrafts popular in India. This is correct. Or lots of handicrafts are popular in India. That's also correct. और अगर आपने देयर आर से शुरू करना है, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स व्हिच आर पॉपुलर इन इंडिया, फिर विच लगा दोगे फिर आर आ जाएगा दोबारा. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स, आर पॉपुलर वुड बी रॉन्ग. ठीक है, दोबारा आंसर करो. व्हाट ट्रेडिशनल हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स आर पॉपुलर इन इंडिया?
And there are lots of handicrafts popular in India. Indian people always want to buy traditional art and craft at
Very good, very
मैम
good.
आंसर क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
हाँ.
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
Okay, if you have to ask the examiner to repeat the question, what would you say?
Pardon.
Pardon me, please. What traditional handicrafts are popular in India?
And there are lots of handicrafts popular in India. Most of the Indian people like to buy handicraft traditional arts because they think that if they buy these art and craft activities and they can decorate their home by buying these handicrafts, and they can also show these handicrafts to their relatives, and they can also show their traditional by buying these handicrafts, and they can also show their culture by buying these handicrafts, and
Very
they can
good,
also.
very good. Do people in your country send handicrafts as gifts?
Yes, definitely. Indian people always like to send gift as their handicrafts because they think if they gift a handicraft to their relatives, and they gift the handicraft to at an international level relatives, so they can show their culture to their relatives and near and dears, and they can also think that their culture is very rich because the handicrafts also show the local culture. When so Indian people always
What are the
use.
benefits? What are the benefits of making handicrafts?
There are many benefits of making handicrafts. Indian people always show their Indian people can show their art skills by making handicrafts, and they can also reserve their culture by making handicrafts and
Preserve
preserve.
their culture. ठीक
They
है?
can also preserve their culture by making handicrafts, and
Very
they can.
good, Kiran. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटे. Confidence है आपके face पे. Look eye to eye with the examiner in the actual exam also. You will surely do well. 7 plus जा सकती है. Speaking. Confidence रखना, मेहनत करो. सारी ये वाली PDF खत्म कर लेना. सारे questions आपने पढ़े हो एक बार. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
आंसर आप अपने natural दो, कोई बात नहीं. Answers, you don't need to mug up these answers. You should know these questions and you should know what you have to say if you are asked this question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Who is next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, why not? Who is that? May I?
Kushti.
Kushri. Ajo. Would you like to have your video on?
No, ma'am.
Oh, no. Fine. Do you think children are born smart or do they learn to become smart?
I believe there are some children who are innately smart, but I wouldn't say that smartness can't be developed. With the proper guidance, a child can learn creativity and innovation.
Innovation. Very good. How do children become smart at school?
I believe if children would participate in co-curricular activities at school, they would surely improve in terms of creativeness and smartness. Other than that, listening to what teachers says and developing interest in every field can also help.
Okay. Why are some people well-rounded and others only good at one thing?
I feel some children are inquisitive in nature. That's why they just they are just fond of learning new things and are curious about those. While there are some other children who just tries to be profound in one skill, and that's why they don't focus on others.
Profound nahi or who likes nahi aega. Children who like to be proficient in, not profound.
Proficient. Okay.
Proficient in. Okay. Kushri,
Yes.
बहुत अच्छे बोल रहे हो. Why does modern society need talent of all kinds?
Because this is because a single person can't handle all the responsibilities, and moreover, this would not be efficient too. So in order to run smoothly in terms either it's administration or any field, so many contribution of so many people is needed.
Very good. Kushreet, I'm very happy with your speaking. It's definitely a 7.5 or 7 plus. आप अच्छा करोगे एग्जाम में, बिल्कुल नेचुरली बोलना है, ऐसे ही गो थ्रू द होल पीडीएफ, सारे क्वेश्चंस करना अच्छे से. सब जनों को मैं
Okay, ma'am.
बोलूंगी जो भी आज क्लास में है, go through the whole PDF. You'll all do well. Today we focused on the follow-up questions, and you see how you have to answer in 4, 5, 6 or 7 sentences also at times. And this is almost 1/4 of a cue card for every answer. So practice answers like that. And because of these questions, one set of essays becomes very important. कोई guess कर सकता है मैं क्या बोलने लगी हूँ? ये question थे, whether children are born smart or can they become smart later on. So what set of questions is this? What set of essays is this?
Nature versus nurture.
Very good, Narinder. See, आपने identify कर लिया nature versus nurture. These essays are super important for both academic and general students. ठीक है? और ये वाले सारे essays कर लेना, इनके ideas भी कर लेना. So should I wind up the class now, or would anyone else, one student would like to go ahead with a set of questions?
Can I try, ma'am?
Why not? Who is that?
I am Neha, ma'am.
Yes, Neha, sure. Okay. Okay, Neha. Do you prefer books or movies?
Actually, I prefer books because we can क्या बोलते हैं उसको? We can catch up lots of memory. We can catch up lots of spellings from the books, and we can learn something new from the book. So I prefer book.
Okay. Do you think it is important to read the book before watching the movie version of it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you think it is important to read the book before watching the movie version of the book? Supposing there is a book by Amrita Pritam Pinjar and there's a movie Pinjar. Do you prefer reading the book first?
Yes.
Huh?
No, actually no. I prefer that time movie because sometime we can not learn. We cannot understand from book. Then movie producer something present different better than book for us. Like how to learn extra and how to understand from the pictures, because picture movies are very visual things.
Yes. Okay, Neha. Neha है ना आपका नाम?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Neha, आप ना पहला भी जो आंसर था, do you prefer books or movies? वो वही था, books versus reading a book versus watching the movie of that story. It is that only. So उधर भी movie वाला आंसर बोलना. I prefer watching the movie because when I read the book, it needs a lot of concentration. But watching a movie is a passive activity. You know, you are not exercising your brain. It is relaxing activity. Everything is just portrayed in front of you. When you read a book, अगर आपने book का भी बोलना है, उसके reason ये बोलो that I prefer reading the book because when I read a book, it stimulates my imagination. Okay, then I imagine those characters in my mind, what the writer has portrayed in the book. But movie में तो आपके imagination center use ही नहीं होता. Because it's a passive activity. Everything is just, portrayed there and you just have to watch it. So movie, you can say it depends. Sometimes I prefer reading a book. Sometimes I prefer watching a movie. When I have to relax, I prefer watching movies.
It's a depend on interest. It's a depend on interest.
अभी आपने एक गलती करी है जो पहले आज ही एक स्टूडेंट ने करी थी, मैंने करेक्ट करी थी. It's depend. आपने बोला
it depends. It depends on interest. Yes, okay.
गलत है, ठीक है? It depends.
Okay.
ये बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है, बहुत बच्चे करते हैं. इसको आप पकड़ लो बिकॉज ये ऐसी मिस्टेक है जो 1.5 बैंड नीचे ले जाती है. अगर ये हो जाए, आधा नहीं ले जाती, 7.5 से 6.5 नहीं, 7 से सीधा 5, 5.5 जाते हैं इस गलती से. तो इन पे वर्क करना है.
Okay, I got it, ma'am. Okay, I will
work on the small mistakes. ग्रामर पे आपका वर्क करने वाला है आप इस पे वर्क करो, आप अच्छा कर जाओगे, कॉन्फिडेंस है आप में, ठीक है? यू विल डू वेल. Do boys and girls read the same kinds of books?
Definitely no, because girls maturity power different than boys, and boy think about girls why do that, why I am do that. So I think both maturity
आप
power
ना
different.
अमन बहुत अच्छा आंसर बनाने की चक्कर में आंसर्स बिल्कुल खराब कर रहे हो, ओके? और आप जेस्चर्स देने के और एक्सप्रेशंस देने के चक्कर में भी सोच नहीं रहे हो आप क्या बोल रहे हो.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, बिल्कुल सिंपल आंसर दो. डू बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स रीड द सेम काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स? कोई भी जेंडर वाली चीजें आए तो आप सिंपल बोल सकते हो ना, जेंडर डिफरेंसेस आर डिसअपियरिंग नाउअडेज. एक लाइन तो ये रट लो. Nowadays, gender differences are disappearing these days. Both boys and girls are fond of, earlier girls used to be fond of home sciences, boys used to be fond of technology. Now it is not the case. Both boys and girls have similar interests. They are given similar education. So their interest is also in the same kinds of books. Okay. But agar aapne different bolna hai, you can say girls like to read romance, books on romance, and boys like to read books on, action and adventure and fantasy. Girls are more, but
Yes,
आपको
yes.
जो हैरी पॉटर है, girls and boys दोनों enjoy करते हैं. कोई फर्क है?
नहीं
उसके
नहीं
लिए आप आंसर बोलो और सिंपल आंसर बोलो. आप ज्यादा अच्छा बनाने के चक्कर में ग्रामर बहुत गलत कर रहे हो.
ओके मैम.
Okay, this is really going to cost you high. Okay, बिल्कुल सिंपल बोलना, सिंपल से सिंपल, ठीक है? और अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो, यू विल डेफिनेटली डू वेल, ठीक है? चलो, अब मैं आज की क्लास वाइंड अप कर रही हूँ. आई होप यू ऑल लर्न समथिंग टुडे, एंड नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे अगेन वील गेट टुगेदर फॉर द स्पीकिंग क्लास, एंड थोड़े फॉलोअप्स कर लेंगे, एंड क्यू कार्ड्स कर लेंगे, या कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कर लेंगे. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट मोर स्टूडेंट्स कम फॉरवर्ड. 2-2, 3-3 क्वेश्चन कई स्टूडेंट्स बोल रहे हैं. सबको प्रैक्टिस होगी बोलने की, एंड यू जो यहाँ बोल के गलतियां करता है ना, वो सबसे ज्यादा सीखता है. ये बात मान के चलो. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the more mistakes you do, the more you learn. Okay?
Yes.
See positive in everything, and you will do well. ठीक है? चलो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye,
Okay.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.